Hello, in this video pag-uusapan natin lahat ng bagay ng tungkol sa Cubits Cube as a company. Basically, Cubits Cube is a company in a digital currency or yung madalas na kilala natin o alam natin na cryptocurrency. Sa mga wala pang idea kung ano yung cryptocurrency, magiging part din siya ng Cubits Cube video course natin. So kung sabihin natin na ilabas ko na yung video na yun, pwede nyo naman panoorin muna yung video na yun and then balik na lang kayo dito sa video na to. Itong kumpanya to, gumagamit ng quantitative trading strategy. So, explain ko rin yon sa next video, yung deeper detail about quantitative trading strategy, kung ano yon. But basically ngayon, explain ko muna ng simple. But basically, in simple terms, itong strategy na to, gumagamit ng mathematical models, mathematics, tools, statistics, automation, at nagba-backtesting din to bago mag-trade. Maganda tong strategy na to for consistency and scalability. However, syempre, lahat naman ng strategy may risk. At ang risk nito is may mga market condition na hindi nakikita ng mga AI, robot, o computer. Halimbawa, sa mundo, nagkaroon ng gera o siguro may nag-speech na prominent public figure, sabi natin mga presidente ng bansa, or anything na pwedeng magkaroon ng drastic change dito sa cryptocurrency market. So that's why meron tong insurance mechanism. Since wala namang perfect strategy at may chance din talaga na malugi yung nagte-trade na AI. So example ito, nangyari isang beses as experience na lugi yung trade. However, dahil may insurance, naibalik naman lahat ng kapital na nawala. So, I'll explain naman in detail itong insurance mechanism sa next na video. So, sa madaling salita, ang company na to, crypto market na gumagamit ng math and statistics para mag-trade automatically. So, ngayon ang pag-usapan naman natin, ano ang history naman nito? This is founded noong November 10, 2023 ni Tito Dominic McGrail. Siya ay graduate ng MBA sa Harvard University. And in terms of legal documents, meron sila ng quantitative trading agreement, anti-money laundering policy, insurance agreement, legal statement, privacy agreement, and the Cubits Cube user agreement, in which lahat yan na nabanggit ko is mababasa nyo naman sa website nila. They have 3 legal documents for registration. For now, isummarize ko lang, but I'll go in more detail sa susunod pa na video natin dito sa course na to. So, unang document is the Articles of Organization of Cubits Cube LLC. So, itong document na to formally establishes Cubits Cube LLC as a legal entity sa New York. Importante to para legal silang mag-operate o makapag-conduct ng business under state law. And dito naman sa document number 2, MSB Registration Status Information, in which itong document na nagbe-verify sa Cubits Cube LLC na registered ito as MSB or Money Service Business with FinCEN. So it allows para mag-legally operate sila ng financial service across all state and territories. So dito naman sa document number 3, filing receipt from New York State Department of State. The receipt confirms the official filing and acceptance of Cubits Cube LLC articles of organization with the New York State Department of State. So nabalita na rin si Cubits Cube sa mga media outlets internationally gaya ng Globe News Wire, Business Insider, Market Insider, Yahoo News Finance, at marami pang iba. So, kukumpletin ko yung detalye niyan bawat balita sa susunod pa na mga video ng course na to. And ito naman, according sa white paper ng Cubits Cube, it has a strong focus on research and development with over 12 years of experience in system architecture and strategy development. Explain ko rin yung white paper nila soon. And dito sa white paper na yan, mababasa nila rin yung mga long-term plans nila. And another key figure pala sa Cubits Cube, si Allison Coleman, in which siya yung technical director ng Cubits Cube. So, expert siya sa computer science, artificial intelligence, and management. So, kung mapapansin niyo yung technological advancement nito and strategic direction nila, siya ang may pakananon. So, kung gusto mo namang sumabay, you can use my link na ilalagay ko sa description or sa comment ng video kung saan mo ito napanood para makapag-register. So kung gusto mo lang naman sumabay and pagkasama ka sa team namin, habang buhay kang may libreng cubes, never mo nang bibilhin yan. Also, meron naman kaming lucky draw everyday sa Telegram. So ibigay ko na lang sa inyo yung instruction kung paano rin sumali doon once naman nakapag-register na kayo. Always remember to do your own research and due diligence and invest something you can afford to lose since lahat naman ng investment may risk. So ayun lang, marami pa tayong video na gagawin. para lahat tayo is nag-i-invest sa something na naiintindihan natin. So, see you sa next video.